Hey Glistening Divas! So, my name is Connie Mortz. I am the leader and mentor of the Glistening Divas. So welcome to the new consultant group that we have for you girls. So everything is by tips and everything that you need to make your business successful. We have phone scripts, we have all sorts of things. So one of the first things that you want to know is really what comes in your kit. What does all your kit entail, and what can you be prepared for when your kit arrives at your door? Okay, so I recently am doing this because I had a new girl that's on the team that's just like, I don't have any free stuff. So because one of the phone scripts I give to you is that you tell your friends, your close friends, your family members that they get a free gift. It's just like, I don't have anything to give them. So, but there are some things that comes in your kit that you might be able to utilize. Okay, so I thought it'd be a great video to really kind of show you what comes in your new Pure Romance kit. So there are 3 different kits available. So we have the standard, we have the deluxe, and we have the deluxe plus. So I'm going to show you the standard today because basically the deluxe and the deluxe plus is an expansion of your standard kit. Okay, so if you have the deluxe plus, fabulous. Okay, if you have the because that means you already have inventory and everything already, but if not, that's totally fine. You can get a standard kit and when you get your standard kit, that also unlocks you to where you can get the Inventory Advantage program, to where you can get $1,000 worth of Pure Romance products for only $4.99, and you make 5 installment payments of $99 a month, and it's all yours. So you already have inventory and already have things added to your demo as well. But no matter what kit that you have, the Inventory Advantage program is available to you to enhance the kit that you already have. So no matter what kit you have, the Inventory Advantage program is fabulous and highly suggested. So you just pay the shipping and handling, the tax, and the $20 like processing fee up front, and after that it's 5 payments of $99 a month, interest free. It is a fabulous deal. Okay, all right, so your standard kit. All right, what comes in your business kit? We have, so you get this amazing cute pink box carrying, so when you come to a party you have this to carry with you and you already look professional. You don't need to worry about tote bags or anything like that if you just have the standard kit. So in here you see there's actually 2 different sleeves, and I'm going to pull them out for you. Okay, so the first sleeve, can't do this one-handed very well. Okay, I'm just gonna hold on. Okay, go ahead and slide it out. Okay, so the first sleeve actually is a trifold. So I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see it all. So this already is going to be displayed onto your table like this. And just imagine the pink Pure Romance box behind it already looks super, super duper professional already here as well. So here you already have, one of the men's scent, massage lotions, all this Coochie Body Dew, or Body Booze, or Cocolo. You have all of these right here. These are your demo sizes that you have. And you have over 150 uses on all of these. So this is going to be enough for your first few months of your business with parties. Okay, so, but on the top of here that some of you guys might not see is there are 3 little slots. In these slots is some more marketing materials that you have. So you get your, if I can get it out. Anybody laughing with me? You guys can totally laugh with me. It's really hard to do one-handed, like, and you don't have a table. Okay, you get your catalogs. Sure, you already have 10 catalogs already to kind of get you started. Also in that main slot there is, I'm going to put this down, okay? When you first open it, actually, you will see this kind of taped to the front is just like a welcome card letter from Patty, which is our founder of Pure Romance, and Chris, our CEO, which is also her son. It's really kind of cool. So it says, congratulations by purchasing this kit. You made an investment in your future and giving yourself the chance to thrive and not just survive. So there's more things in here as well. So it's your choice how often you want to work and how much time you want to invest in your success. In turn, you'll have control over your own financial future. So you've also taken the first step towards empowering, educating, and entertaining the people around you and beyond by helping them bring fun and creativity back into their personal lives and relationships. Wishing you every success in your new journey. Okay, so a nice little welcome letter. So in that spot also you have here about Pure Sale. So Pure Sale is a app that's included in your kit. There's no monthly fee or anything to use all of these great materials that Pure Romance has already given you and offers for you. So you can actually, it's now available on Android and Apple. So download it. We'll go through more of this later in our training. You also now have the compensation plan overview. But if you flip it over, it has a chance of how you can earn $600 in free product your first 60 days. And that is going to be your fast track program. So this is going to be perfect for you whenever you first start your business. Okay. So I'll let you just read through that. Okay. And then most importantly, you have your party guide. So when you first have your party, I'm like, I don't know a lot of, if you don't know a lot about the products or if you don't know how to demo them, everything that is in your kit is in this product guide right along through here. Okay, so also a great game that you can play, which is a household chore game, which is fantastic. And then how to party. So it literally gives you step by step into your party. How to do your party presentation by steps, what kind of game that you can do as your icebreaker, and then also your demos of everything that comes into your kit. So if you have the standard kit, you won't have these right here, which is totally okay, but you got the deluxe kit, there it is, and there's your deluxe plus, which gives you all of this plus more. Okay, so that is your party guide. So that comes in that one sleeve. Another sleeve oh, by the way, these have these little things that I probably should have used because that brings out the products or the materials inside the slot so you don't have to dig them out like I just did. So just FYI. Right. Although this one thing didn't come out very well. Okay, and then in another sleeve, you actually get your Square reader. So we have a contract and partnered with Square to where we can actually get a cheaper rate on credit card fees than anybody else. So Square is already the cheapest credit card processing out there, but we as Pure Romance consultants get it even cheaper. Yes, which means more money in your pocket and less credit card fees for you. So there's instructions on how to download that and how to link it to where you are a Pure Romance consultant, but you already get the reader automatically free in your hands without having to wait. Okay, so which is fantastic. Okay, you also get sample packs. Okay, so in here, these are great to give as gifts. These are hostess gifts, party favors. Bring a friend, you get a free gift. These are perfect for them. You get a whole bunch in here. So you get in this one packet, you get the Legend shave, which is a men's shave. You get the massage aromatherapy massage lotion. You get Coochie. You get our Afterglow, and then you have our Just Like Me packets in here as well. So lots of great marketing materials in here. So, and that's just one of the packets. I'll put that in there later. All right, and then another sleeve, because remember there are 3 slots if you saw earlier. You get more, okay? So in this sleeve slot, you get, okay, Dun, dun, dun. You get the O enhancement gel cream. You also get sensations. You also get the whipped. Okay. You also get some great head, and then you also get the charger for the opening act. Which you're like, what is the opening act? Okay. Remember, there's 2 sleeves inside of the pink box. This is what is in the other sleeve. So heart massager, the hand jive, this is a 3-piece. This is called the rendezvous. So this is the bullet that you plug into the remote, and then this is the ring that you can put on top of the bullet to turn it into a couple's toy. So here's a bullet singles toy, and then the ring also that comes with it is an attachment to go on top, which you'll see in the product guide. It tells you all about what the rendezvous is. And then this is your home alone. So this is what the charger is for. So this is one of our luxury toys that we have in our Spotlight collection. It is 24 karat gold plated right through here. And also you'll see the sticker. It's very important. It says product arrives in travel lock mode. So, which means, don't drop the toy, which means that when you turn on, it won't automatically turn on. So it's in travel lock. So hold down the buttons for it says 5 seconds, but I think it's 10 long seconds, or 5 long seconds. So it's 10 seconds or 5 long seconds. So just count your Mississippis, and it'll turn on. It'll blink, and then it'll then push it again, and it'll turn on. Okay, so that's going to be one of the questions that you have when you first get a toy. If you just rip it open and don't read it, you're going to be like, my toy doesn't work. Okay, but it does work. It's just in travel lock. Okay, but this is a charger for it. So, but that is what comes in just your standard kit. But remember, you get more of the luxury toys in your Deluxe Plus and then your Deluxe kit as well. So just kind of want to give you an overview what to expect to get in your kit. It's fun, exciting. So make sure you have set up your Pop the Box party, which is the day that your kit comes or the very next day, which you can sign up for UPS My Choice. Anything that comes in your name to your address, you're going to get an email notification telling you the day before that it's arriving and also the day of. So that way then you know when to expect all of your shipments that you get from Pure Romance, and when to kind of look out for them. So the day that you get that, so set that up so that way you know when your your business box is coming in, and invite your friends, your really close friends. Like, it's not necessarily a party. You're just opening your business box and sharing the excitement with them. Go through all the stuff. Open all the things. Okay? Smell it. Go through the product guides. Talk about it. Go through the catalog. You know, ask them, what is it that you would love to see at your party? When can we book your party? When can I spoil you and your friends? You know, all that kind of fun jazz. So just have some wine, some food, whatever, and you're just chill out in your living room, in your bedroom, whatever, and just go through and opening your business, because it's going to create excitement for you. It's going to create excitement for them. That way they know that you are in business and ready to book some parties and go ahead and sell some product there while you're at it, right? Okay, they'll talk about the Pure Sale, which we'll do some more training on that later. So anyway, so welcome to the Glistening Divas team. I'm so super duper excited that you guys are here, and I cannot wait to hear all of your success stories and hear about your new business, your launch party. I want you to go ahead and post in this group. I have my launch party tonight. I'm so super excited. Any questions that you have, post in this group as well, because we are here to help you succeed. So the only people that are in this group are leaders and also other new consultants. If you have a question, ask it in this group, because more than likely, whatever question that you have, another consultant, new consultant will have the exact same question or be like, that's a really good question. Never thought about that. So we're here to help each other out and help each other grow and succeed. Okay. So super duper excited. Oh, by the way, every time you have a party, I want you to post in the group, I got another party. joy, right? We want to celebrate every little success that you have, all right? When you have your launch party, let us know how much in sales that you got, okay? How many bookings you got from that. Let us know when you complete a challenge. Let us know when you did your party school, which we'll talk about more later. So all that fun jazz, okay? So I hope you guys really enjoy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fabulous. It's going to be a great new journey for you guys. And I cannot wait to hear all of your success stories. All right. Love you guys. Mwah.